The Insta360 Luna Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact cameras of 2026. Positioned below the flagship Luna Ultra, this upcoming Leica-powered gimbal camera promises premium image quality, advanced stabilization, and creator-focused features in a lighter, more affordable package aimed at vloggers and travel filmmakers. Although Insta360 has yet to officially reveal the complete specification sheet, FCC certification documents and Luna Series information provide a strong indication of what the Luna Pro will offer. The camera is expected to feature a large 1-inch CMOS sensor paired with a Leica Summicron wide-angle lens, delivering excellent low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and the signature Leica color science that content creators have come to appreciate. Reports suggest support for 10-bit iLog recording and approximately 14 stops of dynamic range, giving videographers greater flexibility during color grading and post-production workflows. The Luna Pro is also expected to retain the innovative detachable 2-inch OLED touchscreen first introduced on the Luna Ultra, allowing creators to use the screen as a wireless monitor, remote controller, and even an external microphone interface. One of the biggest expected advantages of the Luna Pro is portability. Unlike the dual-lens Luna Ultra, which combines a 1-inch main sensor and a dedicated telephoto camera, the Luna Pro is rumored to adopt a simpler single-lens design. This should reduce weight while maintaining professional-grade image quality. A 3-axis mechanical gimbal combined with Insta360's flow-state stabilization is expected to provide exceptionally smooth footage for walking shots, travel videos, and daily vlogging. Battery specifications listed in certification filings suggest a 1,550 mAh power system, similar to the Ultra. Industry observers expect 4K recording at high frame rates, possibly reaching 120 frames per second for cinematic slow-motion capture. The Luna Pro will enter a highly competitive market dominated by the recently released DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro. DJI's latest Pocket camera remains one of the most popular choices among solo creators, thanks to its compact form factor, reliable subject tracking, and high frame rate video capabilities. However, the Luna Pro could differentiate itself through Leica optics, the detachable wireless touchscreen, and its unique modular shooting experience. Community discussions surrounding the Luna Ultra also show strong interest in the detachable screen concept. Thanks for watching. The Insta360 Luna Pro looks set to become a compelling option for creators who want flagship-level imaging without
Flagship pricing. If the rumored specifications become reality, it could be one of the best compact vlogging cameras of 2026. Would you choose the Luna Pro or stick with DJI? Let us know in the comment below.